The 2025 Yamaha NMAX is back with a fresh new look and upgraded performance, and we've got a closer look at the latest PNG transparent renders to showcase every detail. Yamaha has refined the NMAX with sleek, aerodynamic lines and a more aggressive front fascia, making it one of the most stylish scooters in its class. The sharp LED headlamps, bold body contours, and signature Yamaha blue accents stand out beautifully in the transparent PNG version, letting fans appreciate the design from every angle. Under the hood, the 2025 NMAX retains its reliable 155cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, which is perfect for both city commuting and light touring. It's built on Yamaha's Blue Core technology, offering an ideal balance of power and fuel efficiency. With variable valve actuation (VVA), you get smooth acceleration whether you're zipping through urban streets or cruising on open roads. Yamaha has also focused on rider comfort and convenience. The ergonomic seat, wider footboard, and intuitive digital display make daily rides more enjoyable. With features like Smart Key System, Stop and Start System, and a large under-seat storage, the NMAX blends practicality with modern tech. In the PNG Transparent version, it's easier to appreciate the full form of the scooter, no distractions, just pure design. The clean look is perfect for digital creators, graphic designers, or Yamaha fans who want to use the image in custom renders, thumbnails, or mock-ups. Whether you're here to admire the new look or planning to make your next ride a Yamaha, the 2025 NMAX is making a strong statement. From performance to aesthetics, this scooter is built to turn heads and deliver on every ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.